So how do you take a zoomed out screenshot on the iPhone? Let me show you the thing that you are probably looking for, and if it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe and you'll never miss anything important. So you can obviously capture the regular screenshot wherever you happen to be by pressing the side button and volume up at the same time as such, and you get the regular screenshot. So at first, you can also just take a look at it as such and crop it, meaning that you leave out some of the information and only keep the selected area. Meaning that if I would go like this, right, I can save it to my photos, and now it is cropped like this. However, I still have the ability to zoom it out and get back all of the missing data which I cropped out by going to the edit mode and revert in the top right, and I can revert it back to the original state, and this is how we can get back to the zoomed out. But this is probably not the thing that you are looking for, because if you are, for example, inside of a Safari browser, you might be browsing something specific like the Apple's website or reading an article or anything else. In this case, when you capture a screenshot the very same way as such, you can see that we can still tap on it, but now we have the ability to switch from the full screen mode to the full page mode. And when you switch to the full page, you can see that we have like very zoomed out and long screenshot, which you can save as like this scrollable either PDF or a photo. So this is probably the zoomed out screenshot which you are looking for or referring to. So that's how you can do this. Of course, don't forget to save it into the photos to make sure you end up with the result you wanted. One more thing though, or one more tip about this, is that you can see that if I scroll through this web page, like most of the stuff is not even loaded up yet. And the point is that if you are trying to capture this zoomed out or long scrollable screenshot, it would make sense to at first scroll through the web page to make sure everything gets loaded up before, right? So just make sure everything is set up. Now we do see it, and now I'm going to capture the screenshot. And then now when I switch it to the full page, you're going to notice that all of the things are now loaded up, the images are in here, and it just all works fine. I can see stuff which was in there. So yeah, I hope it helps. If that's the thing that you are looking for, I would really appreciate your comment below, and if not, just let me know what else you would like to see regarding this. But for now, that's it, and I'll see you then.